We gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a crochet hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. The name of the hair is Toya Dress Passion Twist, and these are the free goodies that came with the hair, and I have 6 packs of hair.
Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but
this is how the hair looks, and it is 12 inches. As you can see here, I went ahead and used the rubber band to section my hair. I'll be doing the shoulder length rubber band method passion twist. First, I'll go ahead and separate the hair. I'll be using 3 strands per hair because I want my hair to be nice and juicy, guys. You want to make sure the hair is completely separated in order to get your twist nice and bouncy. You don't want to use the hair as it is.
I want you. It's for a reason. So last season, you can have my seconds. Poor thing, don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real.
I am pushing the latch hook under the rubber band and secure the braid. Then I'll pull the braid through. The latch hook could only hold 2 strands of hair, so I'll be using the 3rd strand of hair, guys. And if you're doing this and all 3 strands can go through at first, you can go ahead and do that, but I'd rather be safe and put them separate.
Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop.
I'll be using the Shine and Jam to slick my hair so my hair blends with the braid. I separate the braid and my hair in 2. I twist the root very tightly because you want your hair to be well blended in the braid. You don't want nothing peeping through when you're finished, guys. And after you're finished twisting your hair, you don't have to twist the hair that tightly.
But it turns out ugly.
For time purpose, guys, you can go ahead and separate the hair. That means when you're doing the hair, you don't have to stop and separate the strands.
Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else.
Now that you're finished twisting the hair, you're going to measure the hair to where you want to cut. Then you take a rubber band and secure that part. You want to take a sharp scissors and cut below the rubber band. Once again, you push the latch hook under the rubber band and pull the braid through. You can use 1 strand at a time or 2, but I don't think all 3 strands can go through at once.
Almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So
Separate the hair, that's the braid, and your natural hair. Use a let's jam or edge control or whatever you want to use to make sure the hair is well blended with the braid. And you're going to twist the roots of the hair very tightly. You want to make sure your hair is well blended with the braid. And as you're finished twisting your hair, you can go ahead and twist the hair as loosely as you want. The looser you twist the hair, the fluffier the hair will look.
you and me, so long. And even if you let your hair go wild and you feel
You don't have to twist the entire braid. You can twist it to the length you want the hair to be. Then you use the elastic and secure that part, and then you cut.
baby, that way. Beauty in the world is your smiling face. Baby, I love it. It's natural. You don't have to put high heels. You look good when you don't even
Is what you'll be doing for the entire hair, guys, so no need for me to keep repeating myself. Get your snack and enjoy the video, guys, and I'll talk to you at the end.
favorite stilettos. It's naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, not to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try, for real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. You were everything to me. Words and memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight. Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know you walk with me. I hold to what we created. All my pain wants you to be present. All my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die.
Here you have the final look. I went ahead and had some hair jewelry to the ends of the hair, but I only had it to the hair that looks like it was unraveling. This is totally optional. You can add it to the entire hair or whatever you want to do, guys. Just make the hairstyle your own. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting on? The link to this hair will be in the description down below, so you guys can go and check it out. See you later.
Angels tonight.